On this video we will show you how you will get scammed on Telegram. You try to invest your money. You start searching. Then you find yourself inside Telegram channel. Wow, thousands of members. That's really good. All the comments and the admin posts with the prophet. Hey, double your money with devil called money management. We will take your money and we will give it to you back double. Wow, this is what I'm looking for. And the plan start. Each scammer have a different way to take your money. And after you paid, this is what you got. Congratulations, you get scammed. Let's see now some examples. Invest 200 to earn 1,000. But if you invest 300, you will earn 1,500. And they have a special offer for you. Invest 500 to earn 2,500. And you started dreaming. They didn't stop here. They start sending magic words like invest with us for better future. We will give you 50% bonus and more. They use leverage 1 to 888 to burn your account fast, so you will lose all your money quickly. And they will take percentage of the money you lose from the broker. How not to get scammed? First, never give your account details to anyone. Always make your own trading decision. Only risk what you can afford to lose. The most important thing when you try to trade with a broker, use only regulated brokers. The links will be on the description. Thank you.